A critical component of the pen setter is the moving deck and related parts, deck buckets being on the top of the list. Our deep purple deck buckets are designed by mechanics for mechanics, and our urethane is comprised of a durable blend that allows a slickness to be retained on the inside of the buckets, which in turn reduces potential deck jams, especially in high humidity areas. You'll also notice that we reduced the length of the skirt to allow for easier installation and less of an opportunity for the pens to become wedged in the bucket, which tends to happen on the traditional length skirts. Our multi-position deck bucket can accommodate the 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, and 9 pen positions, and all Deep Purple products come with a 2-year warranty.